everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for this vlog is I'm gonna make a new vlog for this. So okay, we've got some new items right here. So after Christmas gifts for myself. Alright, so yes, let's go gonna get over to it. So one right here is from GameStop, okay, and one right here is from Walmart. So okay, so yeah, some of these are for games, for gaming accessories, and also some of them also a video game, right? And also some of Pokemon trading cards. So I'm gonna have to separate the Pokemon trading cards, right? I'm gonna have to separate a video for that Pokemon trading cards to pull it up, okay, so that you will see all of it. Okay, so I'm gonna have to start with this from the Walmart, right? So I've got this. Yeah, I bought a memory card, express card for my Nintendo Switch 2, which is 256 gigabytes. So just only a couple of bucks, right? So $50 below, and which is a cheaper one for you to have a memory card for your Nintendo Switch 2, right? So okay, next is also right here. So next is also right here. I've got this. Yeah, I got this. What is this? A game drive for my PlayStation, right? So at first I thought it was a 500 gigabyte, right? But yeah, but I see right here is a 2 terabyte. Yeah, look at that. So 2 terabyte HDD, right? So yeah, 2 terabyte HDD. So just gonna have to take a look of that one. So yeah, open this up so that we will see, and then I'm gonna have to expand the memory of my PlayStation 4, right? So yeah, I thought it was a 500 gigabyte, right? But when I see it is a 500 gigabyte, okay, right? So we've got some right over here, some paperworks, right? So yeah, gonna have to a tutorial for this one, how to use this one. So it's also, I think you can use it for PlayStation 4 also, and it's also for the PlayStation 5, right? So yes, let's go, gonna have to check it out. And we've got some right here, PlayStation Plus Premium Deluxe, game trials, game catalog, right? And then classics catalog and cloud streaming, monthly games, exclusive content, and Ubisoft and classics, right? We've got right here is the PlayStation Plus Premium Deluxe, right? So let's go, gonna have to check it out, this item, right? So here, there we go. So this is the, this is the Seagate, right? And it's also a logo for the PlayStation right over there. So we've got a logo of the PlayStation right over there, and we've got also this cord right over here to connect it into the PlayStation, right? So yes, I can now install more games on it, right? For free. So they have a bunch of free games on the PlayStation also, right? So in which you can see it in my previous video, right? So okay, here it goes. So next is also, I'm gonna have to open right here. So the other one on the plastic of the Walmart is what is this called? Is this Pokemon cards, right? So I'm gonna have to have a separate for that one. So I also have a Pokemon card here in GameStop, but yeah, I'm gonna have to separate that one also, right? So okay, let's get over to it, to some games right over that I bought from GameStop. So they said that they want a valid ID. So I don't know. So that was new to me, right? So that was new to me. They want a valid ID. So I just give a valid ID. So I don't know. So the last time that I bought a video game from them is they don't need a valid ID, right? Okay, so here it goes, guys. So I got another game from PlayStation 4, which also Naruto Shippuden Ultimate Ninja Storm 4, right? So yeah, look at that. Still has the CD on it, but when you bought it, there's no CD on it. So they have to take it off in their drawer, right? It's because they have in their drawer. So just so that no thieves will get the game in the game case, right? And also I've got the Mortal Kombat 10 Mortal Kombat 10. So it's 10. So okay, pros get 2% back in rewards. Oh, okay. So if you are my member, right? So I still don't have I still have it a member, right? I still have it a member. So we got Mortal Kombat 10, and also I've got the Injustice 2 also. I've got the Injustice 2 right over here, right? So yes, it is also a great game. So there's also a part 1 for this one, but I don't, but the Injustice one is way more cheaper than this one. This only costs $15, right? It's $14.99, but still worth it for me to buy this one. So, and it's a good game. Yeah, a good game. So mobile edition, right? I just play the mobile edition for this one, and it's still updating. I don't know if the Injustice 2 in the PlayStation 4 is still updating onto the new, right? We've got, yeah. So these are all pre-owned games, right? So I just bought this. I forgot the price for this one. So I think I bought this only for 9 or 4. Okay, and also this one right here is only for 4.99, which is 5. Okay, so if you're a member, you will pay 474, right? Okay, and it's also right here, pre-owned 14.99. So but if you are a pro member, you're gonna pay for this one for 14.24. So yeah, it's still 14, you know that. So you gonna, if they've got a pro member, so you're gonna be make it into a $10, right? So yeah, 4% discount. Yeah, no, that would be awesome, right? If you want, yeah, you know. But you know, we don't argue that one, because they are a retailer. They are a retailer, not a reseller, right? So okay, that is just for my uh, PlayStation games right over here, right? And there's also the expanded memory hard disk, okay? And also for my Nintendo Switch right over here, right? Will you look at that? All right. So yes, yep. I think I think this is for today's vlog, and I hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so that you will notify all of my upcoming future videos. Okay. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy. See you again on the next one.